Hi, my name is Rajiv, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue with always on availability group when your secondary is not able to connect with the availability group and it's showing always disconnected. So if you run this command and in the last connect error description, if you're seeing this error message, then what you can do is you can drop the endpoints on both primary and secondary replicas. So go to endpoint and script it out, and then go to secondary replica. Drop the endpoint and recreate the endpoints. Now if you refresh, you will see the secondary replica is still disconnected. So what the next step is to assign the service account connect permission on this endpoint. So this is my service account. So I ran the same command on primary and then secondary. And even if you refresh, it will still show you as disconnected. Now, the third step is to verify whether the connect permission is there on endpoint, and it is. So now let's stop and start the endpoints. Okay. And let's see. So here it says connected, and now you can see the secondary replica is connected. Before you proceed with this step, make sure you have SPNs registered correctly. So that's important step to note. And if the SPNs are registered correctly, and if you are able to ping all the replicas and telnet the ports from all the replicas, and there is no issue with the firewall, then this step should fix the issue. Okay. And if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and try to share this video in your DB group. Thanks for watching.